Making requests. Making requests. 1. Would you mind opening the window for me, please? 2. Can you give me the pen? 3. Do you think you could take me to the park? 4. Would you be kind enough to restore my phone? 5. Can you come home early in the morning at 7 a.m.? 6. Can you tell me what happened yesterday in the office? 7. Could you please take me to the doctor? 8. Could I ask you to take me office? 9. Would you come to my marriage anniversary? Accepting requests. 1. Sure. Just a moment, please. 2. Sure, I'd be glad. 3. No problem. 4. Of course. 5. All right. 6. Certainly. 1. I am so sorry, I can't. 2. It sounds great, but I can't join your team. 3. Sorry to say that, but I am but this weekend.